and play games, hashtag step-by-step fix. Try these in order, from easiest to more involved. After each major step, try launching Battlefield 6 to see if the issue is resolved. Step 1. Stop the ProxifierDrv.sys via command. Even if Proxifier isn't installed or visible, its driver or service might still be active. 1. Open Start, type cmad, then right-click, Run as Administrator. 2. Enter the following commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. sc query checks the status of the service. sc config. Start equals demand changes its start type so it doesn't auto-start. sc stop stops it if it is running. EA Forums 3. Restart your PC after doing that. Then try to launch the game. EA Forums. Step 2. Remove or disable residual drivers and files. If stopping the service helped, you may also want to clean up the driver file so it doesn't get picked up again. Check the folder c/Windows System32 drivers or c's Windows System32 drivers ProxifierDrv.sys and see if ProxifierDrv.sys is present. If yes, you can take ownership of it and delete or rename it, e.g. .sys back. Reddit, delete Proxifier application folder if still present, e.g. C program files Proxifier or C/program files x86 Proxifier. EA Forums. EA Forums. Step 3. Check Task Manager background processes. Open Task Manager, Control-Shift-key, go to Details Processes. Check if any process named Proxifier.exe or similar is still running. If yes, end it. EA Forums. Also check for any other proxy software, VPN clients, or apps that might create proxy drivers. Even if you don't think they're installed, something may have left a driver behind. Step 4. Repair, reinstall EA Javelin AntiCheat. Sometimes AntiCheat has gotten a bad state due to old drivers or leftover configs. Use EA's AntiCheat repair/reinstallation options. If you use the EA app, there should be an option to repair the anti-cheat component. Also, verify integrity, repair your Battlefield 6 game files via EA app or Steam. Corrupted or missing files can sometimes cause misidentification. Step 5. Clean boot or disable startup apps. To ensure nothing is reintroducing the driver at boot or startup, 1. Press Win-R, type msconfig, press Enter. 2. Under Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services. Disable any services related to Proxifier or proxy VPN clients. 3. Under Startup tab, or Task Manager Startup, disable startup items related to proxy tools or networking utilities. 4. Reboot and try launching Battlefield 6. Now, step 6, if all else fails, uninstall Proxifier if present, delete registry entries, uninstall via control panel, programs and features, or settings apps if installed. After uninstalling, manually delete any remaining folders. Use Registry Editor, Regedit, carefully to search for keys related to Proxifier and delete them if you're comfortable and know what you are doing. Always back up registry first. Warnings and things to note. Disabling drivers or deleting files incorrectly can make your system unstable. Only delete or disable files you are confident belong to Proxifier or similar conflicting software. Some VPNs or networking tools may conflict similarly. If you use VPN proxy often, ensure they are fully disabled when launching Battlefield 6. After you fix this, sometimes new updates can reintroduce conflicts.